I hate constant questions on digital SAT math. If you hate them too, you've got to practice them a ton because they're going to show up on that hard math module too. Here's an example of an extremely difficult constant question, but I bet you can get it right with my help. Let's try it together. This might be the hardest question you see when you take the digital SAT. I really struggled on this question, but I promise we can get it right together. It's a constant question with multiple numbers that we don't know. Let me show you number 23. The linear function g is defined by the g of x equals b minus 15x, where b is a constant. If g of c plus 7 is equal to c over 4, where c is a constant, which of the following expressions represents the value of b? Pause. First of all, I see all 4 of my answer choices have c here, which means I'm never going to get b as just a number. What do I know? I know that when I plug in g of x, I get b minus 15x. Now, if I plug in c plus 7 for x, it's the same function, right? It's a function g. All this means is that every time I plug in c plus 7 for x, this is what I'm going to get. So c plus 7, when it's x, will equal c over 4. On the right side, I'm going to plug in c plus 7 for x. So b minus 15 times c plus 7, right? The g of c plus 7 is equal to b minus 15 times c plus 7, which is equal to c over 4. What I want to do now is just solve for b. And how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to distribute out the 15. C over 4 equals b minus 15c plus 105. Excuse me, this should be minus 105. Do not make the same mistakes that I did, or you're going to be in really big trouble. Now, I feel like I'm on a good path here because I see 105s in 2 answer choices. I'm now going to add everything over to the left side and keep the b on the right side. C over 4 plus 15c plus 105 is equal to b. That looks really close to d, except I have a c over 4 still. I can only add these if I have the same denominator. So I'm going to multiply this 15c by 4 over 4 to get 60c over 4 plus 105 equals b. I'm going to combine these into 61c over 4 plus 105, which looks just like answer choice C. Great work and happy studying.